Hello friends, welcome back to the Kushal Vlogger channel. And for today's video, I have with me the latest Tata Safari. So the photo might have just come on the screen right now of the latest Tata Safari actually. So to talk about the Tata Safari, there are a lot of things. But before that, I wanted to talk about the older generations. So, when it comes to Tata Safari, it was one of the best Indian vehicles or the best vehicles in the Indian markets back then when it was newly launched actually. So, the Tata Safari actually came up with a normal basic version that was not so cool and sexy when it was first launched, but it actually became the people's favorite here in India actually, especially to some of the cops and also to the police service also. Apart from that, the car was actually launched in 1998, the first model Tata Safari. So the pic might be coming on the screen right now of the first model. Then obviously the models went on changing, and actually the first model Safari was a great hit in the Indian market. And this particular vehicle, it's best suited for your Indian roads also. So back then, I guess SUVs were not as common as now, because obviously companies like Toyota and Maruti Suzuki, Maruti was there, but Suzuki and other companies were not so much of a trend here. So that was the main reason. So apart from that, the thing is, um, there have been a lot of difference in the versions. So the first Indian or the first SUV by the Tata was the Tata Sierra, and after that the Tata Safari came up in the market actually. So then I just put a general photo of all the three models of the Tata Safari. If you have seen in the screen, it is visible properly. So the first model was, I guess, back in 1998. Then around 2005 or 6 the second model came, and after that this model, which is launched on 2021. So this particular model, you can go to the Tata website. If you just type Tata Safari, the website opens. So in this you can see how beautifully they have given the description of the vehicle. And looking at this car, it reminds me of the Land Rover or Range Rover style. Obviously Tata owns those two companies also, the Jaguar and Range Rover. So coming up with the latest model, let's leave the old models apart, because obviously it doesn't make such of importance right over here in this video. So after the two models of the Tata Safari, they came up with the Tata Safari Stone, which didn't click that much here in the Indian market, because there were no much of a change, and the only plus point of this Safari was that the engine and all the other stuff were same, but it came with a automatic version. And apart from that, ground clearance was good. Apart from that, the seating was not so comfortable, whereas this model, the seating is one of the best. So in this model, first I'll go with the colors, as it's my favorite criteria when it comes to vehicles. So for the color, there is the royal blue. Apart from royal blue, there is one more color, that is Daytona gray. That might, it's coming on the screen according to me, yeah. And apart from that, there's another color, that's white. So this is called Orcus white. So Orcus white from outside, and there's oyster leather seats inside, white color. So the names are somewhat matching with each other. So coming up with the features, what difference are in case of the features. So I thought of, you might be thinking right now why I am doing a particular video on this particular vehicle. So the thing is, I just wanted to give a bit of respect to this car, as I like the design of the car personally, if you ask me. So if anyone asks me in this week which is the best vehicle to buy, I would personally prefer the Tata Safari for now. Obviously, new vehicles keep on coming, piling up, so you cannot just choose one particular one. So the best part of this vehicle, or the new changes in this vehicle, are the chrome studded tri-arrow front grills. So it will coming on the screen right now. Apart from that, iconic roof railing, so that also is coming on the screen. The roof railing naming Safari, that is also a kind of attraction. Apart from that, xenon hid projector headlamps. As you can see in the latest vehicles, there are three sets of lights. So up it comes as daytime running lights, in the middle it's the projector lights or the xenon lights, and at the down it's the fog lamps. So that's a very good thing which is coming up with recent vehicles. Apart from this vehicle, you might have observed like that view in case of your Creta, Venue and other vehicles. Then signature twin LED lamps. Obviously, all the backlights are coming as LED these days. Then R18 machined alloys. So the wheel is 18 inch. It's quite big if you ask me. 18 inch. So apart from that, signature Ashwood dashboard. So this dashboard actually it's like a wood finish. Apart from that, the upper part of the dash it's like soft touch. So that's gonna be very interesting. Usually soft touch comes in higher end vehicles like your Range Rover, Land Rover. Apart from that, the Mercedes, BMWs and all. Then the interior looks very sexy. The signature oyster white. I already mentioned the name oyster. So it's completely white, but a little bit backwards point in this thing is like difficult to maintain. It can get a little bit dirty. Apart from that, the shape of the seat. The shape of the seat is completely beautiful according to me. It looks very, very, very pretty from the outside. So these are all the general features, and not only that, in the description I'll just put you the link to the website where you can book your ride, or also you can take a test drive also in the new vehicle. So these were all the plus points in this particular vehicle. So coming back to the history, this is the fourth gen in case of the Safari. I don't know whether I have missed one more gen in middle, but I guess this is the fourth gen, and this particular gen is completely different from what we have seen in the previous vehicles, because usually every time the Safari comes, it comes with the old or the oldish look. As you can see, the Safari Storm didn't have much of a feature. Xenon lights and all were not at all there. It's a big thing if it was there also. So these are all the plus points and minus points which I had just mentioned about you. So I'll see if I can get a test ride or something on this vehicle, so that I can show to my viewers how it goes or how it is. In the online, you can also download the brochure and okay, coming to the variants, I forgot completely. I had to give an information about the various variants in this vehicle. So coming up with the variants. So there might be different variants, but I guess they have not mentioned it here. So the price rate of the Safari, it comes around from 15 lakhs or 16 lakhs, goes up to 21 lakhs. So 21 lakhs means when it comes to on-road pricing, it may reach up to amount of 23 to 24 lakhs, including the road tax and all the stuff. So compare up to the three Safari models. I got the variants. So it is XZA plus, then XZA and XZ plus. So I guess the XZ plus variants are all the XZ plus, XZA, where all the A models are automatic and all the M and E models are manual transmission. So it's a 6 gear manual transmission is there, and a 6 gear automatic transmission also is available. So folks, that's all for today's video, and that's all about the new or latest Tata Safari. So I hope you enjoyed this video, found it little useful. So I'll come up with some other vehicles which have been launched recently. Until next time.